Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon guys sa birthday ni Evelyn guys. Lechon na guys. Katabi yung kinilaw guys. Sarap. Kinilaw. Guys, lechon. Sarap yung lechon guys. Guys, kasama ko yung isang vlogger dito guys. Alam guys, ayun guys. Malabok guys. Dapat ito dessert guys. Okay, ayun sarap. Ayan guys ha. Tapos yung dito guys, yung pamalakasan guys. Yan guys. Kasi yun namin sa master guys. Ang malakasan niya. Ito yung isa guys. Big time to sa Mandawi guys. Sa cooking oil. Yeah.
Sa mga
Tandaan nyo guys ha. Yan ang mga big time dito guys ha.
Bansamoro.
Mga bansang big time. So ayan guys oh. Mga pagkain guys. Yummy. Tapos guys, batiin muna natin guys yung birthday celebration guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.